Hi friends, welcome to Bright Storybook. Today we're going to have so much fun learning the ABCs with vehicles. Are you ready? Let's go. I for motorcycle, motorcycle. N for navy ship, navy ship. O for ocean liner, ocean liner. P for police car, police car.